They're so big. I don't even think I got them all in the camera shot. No, I do barely. Oh my goodness. Just total fluke. I saw the same tentacles on Temu for $56 a piece. And I was like, no fucking way. This has gotta be bullshit. Everywhere I looked, they were like $250 per tentacle. Not for the whole set, each. We're about to find out. Here's this. Okay, I am nervous. This doesn't look like a giant 14-foot tall tentacle. You guys, I think this is the real. I think this is the real legit tentacle. I mean, look how big this is. Let's go plug them in. They're so big. I don't even think I got them all in the camera shot. No, I do barely. Oh my goodness. Just picture this in the pirate scene, like coming out of the water to get the pirate ship. Now we're gonna have to make a really big pirate ship.
Thought we weren't making pirate ship. I thought we were just making it all.
You know I change my mind every 5 minutes. These are gonna be so much fun to get set up in that creek.
Yeah, because I don't think
They're gonna get so tore up with all. We're gonna have to cut all that brush down. Oh no! Oh no! It's falling. No, the Kraken!